we have another security camera from Viziuuy. Now this is my third one I've gotten from them. It is solar powered, and I love the solar powered one. Now this one, I guess I was showing it to you upside down. There you go. This one is supposed to be a wireless one that is constantly recording. So this one is different than the others, even though it looks very similar. It is different, so let's unpack it. Alright, so unpacking it, this is what you're greeted with. Okay, so this does connect wirelessly. This is something that you're going to be able to access on your phone whenever. There is an SD card for it. You don't have to buy a subscription to it in order for it to record. Now, if you want to play back older footage, you know, I do recommend purchasing the iCloud subscription, which really, I think it's like $30 for the year, so it's not expensive. But you can have the SD card if you don't want to do that, or if you want to do both. That's up to you. It does have like a little thing you scan in order to help set it up. This does have a light indicator, LED light. These do record sound. They also have like a little light that lights up our sensor for in the evening, so you do have that. This is the solar power, which is a nice big one. This is about the size of my head. They always include these stickers if you want to put these stickers up. I don't. My house is going to be very well secured once this is up. I've got several up already. It does include all of this for mounting purposes. It does have this also to connect to the camera directly, which I honestly have not needed, but you can. Okay, so this is what the actual camera looks like. This feels like it might actually be physically bigger than the other ones that I've used. When you mount the other thing, this just slides into it, so it's not super difficult or whatever. And you can mount it that way if you want, or that way, and there's a little thing so you can switch the visual for yourself. But that is the front of it, and of course you've got your antennas here, and they do move, so you can move them whatever way you need to. This here will connect to your solar panel, which you can mount that up top so that won't be in the way. It's very, very much convenient. So I will go mount this, use it for a few days, and then I'll come back and show you what it is, what it's like. I'll show you on my phone that I don't have it currently. Okay, so on my home security, and this shows you my current ones, so I will be having a fourth one. Right now I just have the 3. When I come back, I'll have the 4th, and we will talk about it. I do have my security camera installed, and I've been using it, so I've got some thoughts on it. Okay, so this is my home security file on my phone. We'll go right into it right here. Right here is the camera that I installed. This is a live feed, so everything that you see on there is current. That is exactly what's going on. You can set this so that you can have screenshots. Intercom right here, I can turn the intercom on and talk to people through it. You can set this up for I believe Alexa and all that jazz, all that stuff. It does have quick little 6-second clips it takes, or you can set it up to take photos. I choose the 6-second photos when it's recording, simply for the fact that like sometimes a photograph doesn't get everything you want, so I choose the little 6 seconds. Of course, you can sign up for the internet cloud, or you can use an SD card, or both. That's your choice. But I do like this. Took me a little bit to see how I feel because it's a continuous live stream. The other ones I can live stream too, but this is different. Like if I put the SD card in it, it will continuously record. I don't necessarily need that, but I like it. I like the clarity of it. I think it's a really great product. I definitely think it's a camera worth checking out and investing in.